Welcome back, fellow riders, to another exciting video on riding motorcycles. Today we're hitting the open road for 8 minutes of pure adrenaline. Join me as we rev our engines and take on the highway. We start our journey by gearing up and jumping on our bikes. As we enter the highway, we pick up speed and the scenery becomes a blur. The sound of the wind rushing past us brings a feeling of freedom and escape. The thrill of